Morning guys, in this project I want to show you how you can install the Colorbond fence that's a 1.8 height and 2.4 length, and also we install the timber sleeper under the fence as you can see. But for this house, this is a zero boundary. We attach the post to the wall by the screws. We drill the bricks and plug to the wall, and also we set the line, continue installing the Colorbond fence to the end. The fence will be, this is 2.4 height, the standard post, and also it's going there and up to here. It's going straight because we're adding some 3 slipper on there and then 1 slipper, and the fence will be 1.8 going all through. That's a retaining wall going up on top of the retaining wall going through to the end. That's a peg here, and we install the last post to the wall. The last one and the first one will attach it to the existing wall. Okay, now I need to make a level and mark it where we want to make a hole, and then I drill to the wall, brick wall. This is need a diamond head drill to drill the hole to the wall. So guys, the first post, install it and attach it to the wall by 3 screw, you can see, and also it's level. You have to check the level on each post. The next step is installing the last one to that wall, and then make a line and continue to install the other post every 2.4. So guys, I screw 2 posts together, 2 C posts for the middle post. As you can see, it's lined together, 2 posts, and then screw it in a zigzag shape. It's more stronger than straight. I use 6 to 8 screws through the post and attach 2 posts together. This is 2.4, and also I mark it inside of the C post 1.8 for the rail and 195 for a slipper. The other part going to the concrete to the hole. Also I mark it in the side because I set the line to 110 centimeters from So guys, to install the fence, first I install the bottom rail through the post to the inside of the C post, and then I do one screw in the side, in the middle actually, yeah, in the middle, screw to the timber to stay there and it's not moving off the timber later. That's a screw. It's 10 centimeter screw. It's drilled to the post, to the timber under, and then we install the fence sheet on top of it. So guys, to install the sheet, first we adding the sheet to the down rail. As you can see, one sheet is overlapping the other one, and then going through this one as well. This it's overlapping on the other one, and then we install the top rail. The first need to be in the post, and the other side should be higher, and then start from here to put set the sheets through the top rail, and then we can fix it. I will do that and show you later. So guys, job completed. Front yard, council area, garden, timber garden edge, and the passway, the step stones, and the gate. As you can see, the passway, that's the gate. Fence, timber slipper under the fence, timber retaining wall 800 height, clothesline, a step stone, garden, the timber retaining wall, it's all completed, and also the stairs. As you can see, it looks nice and tidy. Also all going to the end. The fence side is just the pebbles, and timber retaining wall, drainage, and fence. Thank you for watching us, and please like and share our videos. Also subscribe to support us. Thank you. See you in the next project.